The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to be the hottest flagship of the year, and with just a few months to go, we're diving into all the latest reveals, from the new design to performance upgrades and more. So, let's jump right in. First up, the design. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Galaxy S25 was how it would look, but now we've got our first glimpse of the potential design for the S25 Ultra. Reliable tipster Ice Universe recently shared an image on X, suggesting that the S25 Ultra will have slightly rounded corners, a shift from the sharp edges of the S24 Ultra. Honestly, the rounded corners make more sense since they make the phone more comfortable to hold. Ice Universe also compared the front designs of the S24 Ultra and S25 Ultra, giving us a better idea of what to expect. There were some mixed rumors about how much RAM the Galaxy S25 Ultra would pack, but another trusted source, Ice Universe, has put those rumors to bed. It's confirmed that the S25 Ultra is getting a bump to 16 gigs of RAM, up from the 12 gigs in the S24 Ultra. While 12 gigs of RAM is already pretty solid, the increase makes sense with AI becoming more and more integral to Samsung's devices. So, whether you're a heavy multitasker or need your phone to handle AI tasks faster, that extra RAM is going to be a big plus. Next, let's talk about satellite connectivity. After Apple introduced it with the iPhone 14 and Google followed with the Pixel 9 series, many were wondering if Samsung would join the party. While the Galaxy S24 series didn't include this feature, it looks like it's in the works for the S25. According to Android Authority, the code for satellite connectivity was spotted in Samsung's emergency SOS, messages, and phone apps. So, it seems like Samsung hasn't given up on this feature and might deliver it early next year. Samsung has also confirmed that the Galaxy S25 will drop next year with top-of-the-line upgrades. In a recent earnings call for their investors, they mentioned that the upcoming flagship will boast industry-leading specs, including major improvements in AI performance, camera quality, and display technology. So, it looks like the Galaxy S25 series is set to push the envelope even further. We're expecting the Galaxy S25 Ultra to launch in January, right alongside the S25 and S25 Plus. All three models will come loaded with new AI features, thanks to Galaxy AI on top of One UI 7. Curious about what's coming with One UI 7? Check out this video for a deeper dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.